Hey everybody, I cannot wait to show you our newest listing here in the Buckhead community in Richmond Hill, Georgia. Come on, let me show you around.
This house is gorgeous.
Okay, at the entryway, very grand entrance. Extremely high ceiling. There's again the detail up there in the coffered ceiling. Nice bright light. Just the attention to detail and the trim. Double front door. Judges panels. There's so much character. Window there, bringing more light. It's really nice that you don't walk in just to the stairs right there. You have this pretty curved wall. And the wrought iron. Okay, again that beautiful staircase. And the living room. This is a massive couch, so you can really tell how big this room is. There's the catwalk. Very high ceilings. Built-ins on either side of the fireplace. There's uplighting in there too, you can see. And there's an area that you can put some bar stools. And your kitchen. So nice to be looking out into everything. When you're cooking, cleaning, having people over. There's your eat-in kitchen area. Breakfast nook with beautiful light. There's the door to the back porch. A lot of cabinets, a lot of storage. The hallway here. That goes to the garage that way. Let's check out the dining room. The dining room has so much detail. I keep saying that over and over, but the woodwork is just beautiful everywhere. This is that window by the entrance. I love the tall windows. So that's garage there. It's a 3-car garage, closet, and then laundry. So laundry space, mudroom space. It's nice to have cabinets in here and a sink. And some drying racks. A lot of cabinets for a laundry room. And it's great that it is right off of the garage. Upstairs, but as you can see, there's a really grand entranceway, copper ceiling. left we have one bedroom. And its own ensuite. So that's really nice. Your own separate space over here. Windows over there. Big ceiling. Okay, there's two rooms. And to the right, we have three more bedrooms. The accent of the chair rail. Really high ceilings in this room. This is pretty large. And it is even grander. Hallway closet. This is shared bathroom. So this goes into that bedroom in the back. But there also is in the hallway. So the other bedroom to use. This is really high ceilings too. You can see two closets in this room. Double closet. And then double closet over here. The bathroom. And the shower. And then you have steps down into this bedroom. More like an apartment. There's the hallway. There's the door to the bathroom into the hallway. Again, high ceilings. Ceiling fan. As you can see, the bedroom is set up over here. Kind of a living room space over here. The desk over here. So it is technically a bedroom. There is a closet here. And it feels like a big loft space or apartment type. Gigantic.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to view these videos and other ones we put out.